Mastering formal writing, purpose and applications. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into an important aspect of English writing, formal writing. As we discuss what it is and why it's crucial to master, keep in mind that it's an essential tool for conveying respect, precision, and professionalism. So, let's get started. Formal writing is a style of writing that's often used in professional, academic, and official contexts. It adheres strictly to established grammatical and syntactical rules and conventions. It tends to be more structured and serious compared to informal writing. You won't see contractions, colloquialisms, or slang in formal writing. Instead, it uses full forms, appropriate punctuation, and precise vocabulary to articulate thoughts clearly and concisely. Formal writing has several key characteristics that make it stand out from informal writing. 1. Complex sentences. Formal writing tends to use more complex sentence structures. You'll see more compound and complex sentences compared to the simple and compound sentences often found in informal writing. 2. Precise vocabulary. Formal writing chooses words carefully to express precise meanings. The vocabulary tends to be more advanced and specific. 3. Third-person perspective. Formal writing often uses third-person perspective, although first-person can be used when necessary. 4. No contractions or slang. Contractions, like can't or it's, are usually avoided in formal writing, as are slang terms and colloquialisms. Now that we understand what formal writing is and how to identify it, let's discuss its purpose. Formal writing is vital for a variety of professional and academic situations, where clear communication and a degree of formality is required. It's used in business emails, academic essays, reports, legal documents, and official letters, among other scenarios. Mastering formal writing can open doors to professional opportunities and improve your overall communication skills. There you have it, an introduction to formal writing and its purpose. Remember, mastering this style of writing can make your communication more effective in formal settings, and it's a key component of professionalism in many fields. Keep practicing and soon, you'll be a pro at it. Until next time, happy writing. Note: the bolding and markdown used in this script is indicative of the emphasis and tone that the speaker should adopt at certain points in the video. The bolded sections are the parts that the speaker should stress or highlight in their presentation.